More than 1,000 Iraqis were rushed to hospital with respiratory ailments on Thursday because of a sandstorm, the seventh to hit the country in the past month. Residents of 6 of Iraq's 18 provinces, including Baghdad and the vast western region of Anbar, awoke again to a thick cloud of dust blanketing the sky. Authorities in Anbar and Kirkuk provinces, north of the capital, urged people to stay indoors, the official INA news agency reported. Hospitals in Anbar province received more than 700 patients with breathing difficulties, said Anas Qais, a health official. The central province of Salaheddin reported more than 300 cases, while the central province of Diwania and the province of Najaf, south of Baghdad, each recorded about 100 cases, the news agency added. Iraq is particularly vulnerable to climate change, having already witnessed record low rainfall and high temperatures in the past few years. Experts say these factors threaten to bring social and economic disaster to the war-scarred country.